Does raw human emotion dictate your financial decisions?
I like to shop.
I love shopping so much.
Or are we rational calculators of our own self-interest?
If you believe that, you can believe that pigs will fly.
It's a bitter scientific debate that has real-world consequences.
Let's talk about the speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
The crash of 2008 nearly collapses the global economy.
$1 trillion in mortgage investments have gone bad.
The crash really matters. It is unexplained by the discipline of economics.
That's just an insult, a pointless insult.
A set of amazing experiments reveals it was no surprise.
It was driven by psychology.
Experiments show our behavior is bizarre when it comes to money.
It's an almost irresistible force.
But not everyone agrees.
The observation that people feel emotions means nothing.
Stuff in the opening, I won't pay over that.
What happens when two powerful forces collide?
Emotion still drives the markets.
Mind over money. Right now on Nova.
Okay, who's ready?
It's an unusual experiment that challenges all our ideas about money.
Who wants to bid?
An auction of a $20 bill.
$1. Do I hear $2? Who's got $2? Do I hear 3? 3 in the back. How about 4? How about 5? Anyone 5? 5. 6.
The rules are simple.
7.
The highest bidder will get the $20 bill.
10. 11.
12.
But there's a catch.
13.
The second highest bidder receives nothing, but pays the amount of the losing bid.
Do I hear 20?
20.
$20.
Fair deal.
Amazingly, two participants bid way above the face value.
26.
26.
27.
27 going once.
28.
28. How about 29? 28 going once.
So why would anyone pay more than $20 for a $20 bill?
$20 sold for $28 to this gentleman.
A group of scientists called behavioral economists think they have the answer.
Just popped, and now he starts again.
They believe that when it comes to making decisions about money, the human mind often behaves irrationally.
We see a variety of ways in which people depart from rationality. People are not using the information they say they should be using, and instead they're using other information that they told us one would be crazy to use.
The notion that people can behave irrationally when it comes to money may not seem like a radical idea, but it challenges the dominant economic philosophy that has shaped policy in business and government for the last 5 decades. The intellectual heart of this philosophy is here at the University of Chicago. This campus has given rise to more Nobel Prize winners in economics than any other institution in the world. Nearly all of them share a common assumption, that when it comes to money, people are highly rational. One of the great champions of this view is Gary Becker.
The most powerful theory we have, and I think it's the most powerful theory in the social science, is economics as a theory of rational behavior at individual level, and that's a theory we rely on.
So what is economics?
University of Chicago professor John Cochran is another leading proponent of this rational model of economics.
And how do we do it? We start by thinking about people and by thinking about how people behave. People's behavior. What do they want? How do they go about getting it?
It's a model first revealed 200 years ago by the father of economics, Adam Smith, in his book, Wealth of Nations.
He started economics in a way that Newton and Galileo started physics. He defined our field in some sense and came across some of the basic insights that people working in their self-interests could coordinate in markets and produce wonderful outcomes.